Hi, Robin. So the first question is from Vishesh Roy from ANI. Do you think all batsmen failed to adjust to the Dubai wicket as they were all seen trying to look for boundaries from the very start? Do you think batsmen could have taken more time in the middle?
Well, yeah, as in hindsight, you always feel like you can take a little bit more time. We could have taken a little bit more time. We got a sense that the wicket changed a little bit post the first innings. I thought that the wicket began stopping a little bit. Obviously, it was a used wicket. The game that RCB played against Mumbai Indians, I think, is that same wicket that we played on. So. I think towards the end the wickets started getting a little tired, so started stopping a little bit. So yeah, in hindsight, we definitely felt maybe we could have taken a little bit more time to get adjusted, and then gone to attack to the take the attack to the bowlers.
Next question is from Vedant Sharma of Sports Tiger. This was their first time playing at Dubai International Stadium. Has practicing on small grounds affected chances in the game against Kolkata today?
Not really. I think we've practiced on we've played practice matches on bigger grounds as well. So I think it's just a matter of adjusting to the pace of the wicket as well. So I think as we play more games here, I think we'll get better and better at it. So I think today we've got a good sense of how this wicket's going to play. It's pretty similar to our practice wickets. So I think we're looking forward to the next games as well. So I think our performance will only climb from here on in.
Kritika Naidu of Crickbuzz. Why did RR opt to bowl? Wasn't it better to score on the board first with no pressure on the batting order, especially when the middle order is a bit fragile?
Well, I think we chased a big score in the last game. Obviously, there was a lot of confidence coming in from that. So, and also we felt that this wicket will play well in the last few games that they played at Dubai. Teams batting second have ended up being able to chase down scores. But like I said a little earlier, in hindsight, I feel maybe we could have taken a little bit more time to adjust to the pace of the wicket and then taken the attack to the bowlers. But I think that's good learning. So moving forward, I think this learning will hold us in good stead.
And the last question for the day. Why did Jaydeep Unadkat only bowl 2 overs, particularly when he looked in good rhythm today?
Well, I think when you have the luxury of having about six bowlers within the side, we had even Rian bowling in over today. So when you have six and a half, seven bowlers in the side, you tend to have the luxury to pick who you want to bowl at different situations. And having said that, when you look at the ground, the dimensions, one side of the ground was shorter than the other. So and they had left right batting at all times, at most times. So we want to make sure that I think the thought process was to make sure that we save Jofra for someone like Russell, so that we could look to get him out, and that's why I think JD wasn't gone towards the end.
We have one more question. Do you think lack of calculation on the part of the batsman while chasing first to the match? Was there any confusion to determine the approach to the chase?
Well, no, I think we actually play a certain brand of cricket, and today we continue to play that as a batting lineup. But obviously there have been learnings in this game, and I think those learnings will be taken into our stride and applied in the games to come.